Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the CapCut Pro in PC. So here I've already opened my CapCut on my computer, and the first thing that you need to make sure is when you want to join the Pro, you need to make sure that you already sign in your CapCut PC like this. I've already signed in to my account, and after that here under your username on CapCut PC, there will be this button Join Pro. So when you click on this, there will be this pop-up that it's explain the benefits of if you are joined the CapCut Pro. Here there are four benefits highlighted by the CapCut team. You can unlock all Pro features, you can unlock all Pro materials, you can get 100 GB cloud space storage, and you can use credits for Pro AI features. And here you can just select the plan that you want, and after that you can click on the purchase button. So after that there will be this the amount that I need to pay if I want to join the CapCut Pro. So this is the amount, and here you can select the payment method. So in my country there are two payment methods, a credit or debit card, or this is e-wallet, or the you can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to use card. So you need to insert the card number, expiration date, and others. But if you're choosing e-wallet here, you can just click on link account. And after that, you can just proceed with the payment. After that, you can enjoy your CapCut Pro. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.